Ah oui, il faut connecter. Ok. On va essayer ici. Pourquoi ça marche pas? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé encore? Moi j'en peux plus, hein, ils arrêtent plus de faire n'importe quoi. Oh là là, je savais, hein? C'est toujours eux. Punaise. Va falloir que je leur fasse un discours, hein, parce que moi j'en peux plus là. Jésus, Marie-Joseph. Oh là là, je sais plus quoi faire.
Hi, have you ever had this problem before? I know I have, because I have a lot of experience. My name's Dr. Dôushe Bäag, I'm a professional communicator, and I've blessed this robotics club with my presence once more to give it a little bit of insight. What a shame. Don't you just hate it when your wires randomly get cut? I know I do. Luckily, I have the solution to that problem. Or well, I really mean my young unpaid intern, Dr. Loozer. Dr. Loozer, why don't you do a little demonstration?
Hi, I'm Dr. Loozer, and I'm here how to teach you to solder away all of your problems. Gather all of your necessary material, such as a soldering iron, wire cutters, soldering lead, soldering flux, helping hands, heat shrink, and a heat gun. Don't forget a fume extractor for your safety. Once you have everything you need, strip the wires. Then, knot them using the following method. Attach your wires to the support. Attach heat shrink onto the knotted wire and apply soldering flux to the wires. Heat the underside of the wire with a soldering iron and place the soldering lead on top of the wire. Once the lead is melted, coat the wire with a layer of solder and wait for it to cool. Slide the heat shrink onto the joined wires. Finally, use a heat gun to secure it, going from the center of the heat shrink outwards to push out any air that could get trapped. And now you know how to solder safely and correctly. Back to Dr. Dôushe Bäag.
Thank you for watching. I hope that, much like my intern, you had a positive experience, paid or not, and that you leave with profound knowledge that you will hold with you your whole life. I love you.